Hello viewers, welcome to a special edition of Meet Anu with Ajovi. My husband and I switch roles in this video. I was behind the camera and he was in front for the first time, I hope not the last. This video is so special to us and we had so much fun filming. Charlie, it started very well until I started telling the man what to do, how to do it, and it's kind of got me a sack. Yes, so I got sacked from my own kitchen. I know a lot of you couples can relate to that. But we had fun overall. We had so much fun filming and editing it, and I hope you have fun watching it. So, ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you the king of my home, my husband, as he takes us through how to make seafood noodles.
In this video, I will be cooking seafood stir-fry noodles. The ingredients on display are fish, shrimp, broccoli, ginger, garlic, chili, spring onions, mussels, peanut oil, soy sauce, fish sauce, also noodles, and the last one is mixed vegetables. Right, let's cook. I'm going to start off by first boiling my noodles. So I will add my noodles into the hot water, which has been boiling for about 3 to 5 minutes. You just have to keep an eye on the noodles just to make sure that it's not too soft. While the noodles is cooking, I'll start by adding the oil into the wok. I love cooking in the wok because it's so good. It's really good for stir frying and also can be used for deep frying. So what we do now is we leave the oil to warm up. So I tend to move the oil all around the wok or swirl the oil around the pan to get an even coating. So just keep stirring, leave it for a while for the oil to warm up. The oil is warm up. We begin by adding the fish gently, followed by adding the shrimp, and we stir it. Then we add our mussels, and then we stir it again. We keep stirring it. I can smell the peanut oil. That smells really lovely. You can also use grapeseed oil for this dish. Just keep on stirring. My noodles is now cooked. I can tell it's cooked. I'm just stirring it and I know it's ready. So now I can turn the fire off. I will drain out the water later on. Back to my seafood stir fry. I'm going to add my ginger, add my garlic, and add my chili. And you continue stirring. Keep on stirring. Isn't that lovely? Ooh, that smells nice. So we continue stirring. Oh, that looks really lovely. I love cooking for my family. They enjoy my food. And I know my wife wouldn't lie to me if she doesn't like my food. I know she likes it. And the children also like it. So you keep on stirring it. I keep on stirring because I don't want my lovely prawns or my mussels or even my fish to burn. So now I'm going to add my spring onions. So I add it, and I toss it like a pancake. Well, that is the beauty of using a wok. I couldn't do that with a frying pan. It's not possible, but maybe it's possible, but not for me. So then we continue stirring it. Just keep stirring it. Give you a lovely stir. You can smell the aroma. Now I'm going to add my broccoli and continue stir frying for about 1 to 2 minutes, and later pour it into a bowl, which I will need it later. Trust me. I'm going to add some oil, not too much oil because I don't want my stir fry too greasy. Now add the mixed vegetables. Stir fry. Now add the fish sauce. Continue stir frying, and then we add the soy sauce. Just a little bit. And then we continue stir frying. Keep stir frying for a while. The food is looking so lovely. I think now we are ready to add the noodles. Don't you think so? Well, I think so. Now let's add all the noodles and stir fry it with the mixed vegetables. Just keep stir frying it. Just keep stir frying it. Don't give up. That's looking really nice. Now we're adding the seafood we stir fried earlier on and stir fry it together. I'm adding a little soy sauce, not too much, just to give it that wonderful flavor. Just a little bit. And mix everything together to give it that wonderful flavor. That smells really nice. Continue stir frying it. And now look at that. It's ready to be served. Wow.
Hope you enjoyed our video. I want to say a big thank you to all our followers for your support. If you're not subscribed to us yet, please do subscribe and click the notification button. And also follow us on our social media platforms, Midanu with Ajovi on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Stay blessed.